Hi there. In our last publishing an exhibition video, part one, we carefully reviewed the exhibition in preparation for publishing. I'm Krista. I'm one of the co-founders of Objects in Order, and in this video, we'll take a look at publishing options for your digital exhibition. Now, I'll just mention here that while you can create up to 3 exhibitions with a level 1 base, to publish an exhibition, you do need to start a monthly subscription. So here's the moment of truth. You've added all the content, styled the look and feel, everything's in order, and the exhibition looks terrific. When you're ready, you go to this drop down menu at upper right, to the action menu, and you're going to select Publish. You're going to see the progress of the exhibition indicated here as it builds. And once it's finished, you'll receive a confirmation message that the exhibition has published successfully. And you'll notice that instead of draft, it now reads published. So you'll just click published to view the exhibition at its Objects in Order URL. And in this example, the exhibition URL is exhibitions.objectsinorder.com slash, and then we have a series here of letters. In your base on your exhibitions page, so that's where we are here in the menu, you'll see that the exhibition has been published, and it's also going to show the total number of exhibitions you've published in your base. Now, take some time to review your live exhibition very carefully. This is a great point to share it with additional stakeholders. Navigate through every page, check your images, your audio, your video, test your links, test buttons, and review your captions and your credits. We strongly recommend testing your exhibition for accessibility compliance. If you need to make adjustments, for example, adjusting contrast, just make those updates and republish. And we'll take a closer look at republishing in part 3 of this series. This is also a good time to review exhibition metadata under settings and make any updates if necessary. Now, let's talk about URL options. If you'd like a cleaner, more applicable URL for your exhibition, you can set up a vanity URL. For example, using the name of your exhibition or a shortened version of the exhibition title. So, for this example, Over the Moon. To create a vanity URL, in Settings, so under the Settings tab, under Publishing URL, you can enter your vanity URL here. In this, you see My Dash Exhibition. So ours would be Over the Moon. It would automatically put the dashes in for us, and the URL would become exhibitions.objectsinorder.com slash, and then your exhibition title. And if you'd like to display your exhibition at your own domain, you can do that too. For example, your exhibition might live at a subdomain or a domain. So a subdomain, something like myexhibitiontitle.museumofobjects.com, or you might have a domain for the exhibition, 19th century portraiture exhibition.com. So you'll enter your custom domain in your settings. You'll click verify. There's a verify button below here. Then you will follow the DNS instructions to add an A record and a text record through your DNS provider. And you can always let us know if you have any questions about the process. If you'd like to see some sample exhibitions created with and hosted by Objects in Order, and then domain mapped to a custom domain, you can visit the Museum of Objects demonstration site at museumofobjects.com. So, for example, here is one of the exhibitions at that site, meowwhat.museumofobjects.com. And we will provide a link to the Museum of Objects and the sample exhibition page in the description. One more thing to mention, password protected exhibitions are coming soon with the release of Objects in Order version 3, and that will also help streamline stakeholder review. So in the next video, we'll take a look at republishing and unpublishing exhibitions. Thank you so much. See you next time.